Update your lowered F-150 with UMI Performance new A-arms. Their adjustable design caters to your driving needs, and like all UMI products, it's simple to install.
All right, the tools you're gonna need for this job, set of jack stands or a jack to stick underneath your lower A-arm to hold the suspension up. And as far as hand tools go, you'll need a 18 millimeter, 21 millimeter, 22 millimeter, and a 24 millimeter wrench. Whether you have standard wrenches or ratchet wrenches, a couple of ratchets. I used a 1/2 inch and a 3/8 and also the quarter, because we also supply you with a 1/4 inch 12-point socket for your ball joint pad. Also a 1/4 inch torque wrench and a hammer and some grease. We're gonna take off these brand new, super expensive Vossen wheels that we bought for our boss. He's super excited, and oh my gosh, what happened? It looks like someone was chewing on them. What is this? This is why we can't have nice things. Old Karen down in Starbucks tried to butt in front of you. Scratch the wheel. So this is a pretty straightforward A-arm swap. I mean, we only have the ball joint to come loose, and then the 2 A-arm bolts back here next to the frame. So right now we're just gonna support the bottom arm, lift it up so that whenever we knock this loose, it doesn't go anywhere. Start by getting this ball joint loose. Magic. One. All right, we got that bolt loose. Able to get the gun up in here, get this one loose. Everything's loose, should be able to pull it out. And there you have it. There's that little chintzy arm.
All right, now that we got that stock A-arm out of the way, it's time to install a new set of A-arms. So let's go to Ramey for a product spotlight.
Hey, it's Ramey here at the UMI Performance Race Shop with another product spotlight. We're going to talk about the cool features of this new 6565 upper A-arm for 2015 and up Ford F-150, and also show you how to install them. These arms fit both 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive F-150s, like I mentioned, 2015 and up. They have Delrin bushings, including grease fittings, so you can grease the Delrin bushings. The adapters are pretty cool because they fit in here and you can crank it down pretty tight, but still have the Delrin move nice and free. So the arm goes up and down really nice. The arm itself is made out of 1018 billet steel. We have a nice plate in here, a vanity plate with the UMI Performance logo. Looks pretty awesome. Cerakote finish. So Cerakote is a type of coating that is impervious to salt water, mud, all kind of stuff. So your arms will stay looking great for a long time. The ball joint plate is actually adjustable. So we have 12-point bolts here and a caterpillar mount inside the ball joint plate. What this does, when you lower a truck more than 2.5 inches, the camber goes really far negative, so you can see how it would suck the top of the tire inwards. We make this arm slightly longer than stock, so it corrects the camber back to factory specs. All in all, great upgrade for your 2015 and up Ford F-150.
All right, the first thing we want to do when installing this A-arm is we're going to grease the bushings, and that'll help reduce friction and squeaks for later on down the road.
We can gonna throw our sleeves in. Nailed it. Make sure we feed our bolts back through the same way. Don't drop your wrench. Make sure you're good and tight. So we got the arm installed. Now's a good time to go ahead and throw a couple pumps of grease in there just to make sure you got everything. You don't want to over grease these. Just a couple pumps. Go ahead and wipe off the excess. All right, should be able to line this back up here. Go in your hole. Wrong. There you have it. Put your car key in there. Don't forget to throw a little grease in your ball joint. Go ahead and wipe that off. As far as the upper A-arm, the only thing left to do is to just make sure you double check the torque on the ball joint plate. So we're gonna go to 200 inch-pounds. So we went to align this truck and we weren't able to get the camber the way we wanted it. So we're just gonna loosen the inside of the ball joint pad bolts, the ones with the wormhole, and then loosen the outside row. You completely remove the inside ones, like so, and loosen your outsides. All right, now we have our inside bolts with the wormhole out. We have our outside bolts loosened. You should be able to slide this here plate out to be able to get a little more better spec on your alignment. All right, now that you got your ball joint pad torqued, it's the same thing on the other side.
Check us out at UMIperformance.com to pick up your own set of lowering F-150 A-arms.